Hello rail fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. This one's going to be another rolling stock tutorial. Today we're going to be building this Rock Island 2-bay covered hopper. One of my favorite paint schemes to see on a covered hopper. You still see them out there every great once in a while. So let's get right into it here. As usual, I'll be building this on the rear of the train I already have. And the first step is to take a dark oak stair to be the coupler and get it attached. Underneath that, we put a dark oak fence gate to be an air hose. Then on the next block down, we need to get a stripped dark oak log on each rail with the pattern facing outward. An end rod in the middle is an axle. Then, spruce stairs upside down in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern coming 3 across the rails. Then another set of stripped dark oak logs for the wheels with an end rod axle. Then on the outsides, we're going to put hoppers in front of the wheels and dark oak fences in front of the stairs. Same thing over here. Then we're going to come above this truck in the middle, and we're going to take out light blue concrete. And we're going to start running light blue concrete up the middle of the truck here, starting at the coupler. So come across here. Then we're going to come out another 3 blocks long past the truck. Then underneath this end one, we're going to come on bottom and put a single block underneath there. Then we're going to come back to this top block with light blue concrete and extend it down by another 6 blocks this time. Once you have 6, we're going to come underneath and put another block on bottom. Then we extend it out another 2 and start our next truck. So strip dark oak logs with the pattern facing outward on each rail with an end rod axle. Then upside down spruce stairs and a back-to-back T-shaped pattern coming 3 across the rails. Then another set of stripped dark oak logs for the wheels and another end rod axle. Then hoppers on the outsides of the wheels on each side and dark oak fences on the outside of the stairs on each side. Then we'll bring our light blue concrete all the way down to the end here. Then we'll take out a dark oak stair for the coupler on this end and get it stacked up to the right level. Delete the ones you used for placement and put a dark oak fence gate underneath the coupler for the air hose. Now we'll come over here with light blue concrete and extend this bottom block out by 1 and this one out by 1. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So a block here and a block here. Then we'll switch to prismarine brick stairs and we'll turn this way and 3 of them upside down facing that way. Same thing over here. That one's a mistake. Then switch this way, upside down facing this way here, and upside down facing this way here for the unloading bays. Then on this top level, on the 2 on the outside, on both sides, we're going to fill it all in with light blue concrete. So when we're all done, we should have a base that's 5 wide, coming across to each side of the rails, going end to end on the car here. Then we're going to come to the end of the car here, and on the 4th block in from the end, put a temporary block. Then we'll put upside down prismarine brick stairs facing the end of the car, delete your temporary block, and bring them all the way across. Then we'll put upside down outward facing stairs so it wraps around that corner, and bring it down towards this end. Stop right here when there's a 3 block gap to the end. Then come across here. Then wrap around this corner and fill in this side with upside down stairs. So when we're done, we should have a box of upside down stairs with 3 blocks of space on each end of the car. Then we'll go all the way around the top of these stairs with light blue concrete. Then we'll put a row of upside down stairs facing the end of the car here. and another row facing the end of the car on this side. Then same thing, we'll go all the way around that with light blue concrete. Then another row of upside down stairs facing the end of the car. And same thing down on this end, another row of upside down stairs facing this end of the car. And then we'll do that same thing again, start here and go all around with light blue concrete. Then a row of upside down stairs facing the end of the car again. Same thing down here again. And then we'll do that same thing. We'll start on this end and go all around it again with light blue concrete. Then we're going to come on top with light blue concrete, fill in this middle three, and bring it all the way down to the other end. Now on this outside edge of the top, we're going to put a row of outward facing prismarine brick stairs going from end to end. And then same thing on this side. So another full row of outward facing stairs going from end to end. Now we'll come around to the end of the car with warped fences. And we're going to make a 2x2 coming up for the support beams and ladder. And actually I did this wrong. This top level of stairs shouldn't be there. So go ahead and delete this row of 5 stairs here and extend the fences up till it connects. Then we'll skip the middle and do another 2x2 over on this side. Then we got to do the same thing down on this end. So same thing, let's go ahead and delete this top layer of stairs here. And a 2x2 of fences coming up on this side. And a 2x2 coming up over here, leaving a block of space in the middle. Then we'll swing down to this far end to do our brakes here. So we're going to come on this little porch area with a grindstone. Put 2 grindstones on the inside block like this to be the air reservoir. Then come out on the end with a trapdoor and close it right there for the handbrake wheel. Now come around the side corners and open 2 warped fence gates like that to be the handrails and steps to get up. Same thing on this corner. Then we'll do this side, so do this corner the same way. And then one more corner to go, do it right here. Then swing up on the top here, in the top middle, and put 3 warp buttons coming across. Same thing on this end. Then we're going to switch to a prismarine brick slab for the loading hatches on top. We're going to come in the middle, and we're going to put it on the 3rd block in from the end. Same thing down here, 3rd block in from the end. Then we skip forward towards the inside of the car with each one and put 2 more slabs with 3 blocks of space between all the slabs. Then we're going to take out an iron trapdoor for our walkways, 5 across the end here. Then on this inside block, we're going to start bringing it down each side. And bring it all the way down to the other end here. And then once we get to the end, we make 5 coming across again. Now we're going to come on bottom on the sides of these unloading bays with a wither skeleton skull and put one on the left hand side of each of those loading bays. Then we're going to detail up the side here. The first thing we're going to do is knock out this right bottom corner and replace it with netherite. Same thing on the other side. This is like where the car builder's information is. Then we're going to do the logo. So we're going to skip 1 block over from that netherite, knock out this, and 1 kitty corner. Put coal in there. Then behind that, a column of 2 coal. Then above that middle, we're going to knock out a block and put smooth quartz with a coal to the right of it. And then 2 up here knocked out with coal for the logo. Now we'll go do that on the other side. So same thing, we're going to skip 1 block over from this netherite block. Knock out this one and 1 kitty corner, fill it with coal, then a column with 2 coal, then in the middle, a smooth quartz with a coal to the right of it, and then 2 coal on top. Then come on the other side of the car on the top, on the 4th block in, start knocking out blocks in a row of 4. And we'll go ahead and fill that with smooth quartz. This will represent the lettering. Come around and we got to do the same thing on the other side. So on this 4th block in, knock out a row of 4, fill it with smooth quartz. Then we're going to skip a block down under it, put 2 birch signs, skip a block, and then 2 more birch signs. This just represents more lettering. Under that, we're going to put a row of 5 polished black stone buttons. Then we got to add that detail to the other side, of course. So come around here. And 1 block down under this quartz, 2 birch signs. Skip a block, 2 more birch signs. And then a row of 5 polished black stone buttons under it. And there we have it, folks. We've completed this Rock Island 2-bay covered hopper in the classic blue paint scheme. Now, I only built a 2-bay one here just to save time, but you could easily extend this out and make a 3 or even 4-bay one if you wanted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.